So far, we've gone through ideation, market research, and value proposition. Today, we'll focus on entrepreneurial strategy. The challenge of starting a company isn't coming up with a great idea. The hard part is commercializing that idea and continuing to create value for the customer and company over time. It's about being selective with what you do. Even more important, what you don't do. So how do you develop your strategy?
If you've done the first steps well, you've figured out how to create value. Then you need to capture that value, plus sustain the value creation and capture over the long term. We'll cover these by having you answer 3 questions. Who is your competition? You need to assess how customers are getting their needs met now, and how those competitors stack up against the priorities of your target customer. Next, what's your competitive advantage? You should be able to better meet the needs of your customers along their top priorities and know how you're going to be able to do that. Finally, the 3rd question, how are you going to sustain that advantage? This will be dependent on the type of competitive advantage you've chosen and will require you to adapt and get feedback from potential customers, peers, and mentors. Use the LaunchX community for help.